Assalamualaikum. I am Mr. Yasmin from Behariya Polytechnic Sarkari Primary. Dear students, how are you? We have already done reading and explanation of Unit 1, Gulliver in Lilliput, in our first presentation. Now we will do learn to read 1 or learn to read 2 exercise. Dear students, I want to ask some questions from you. Number 1, tell me the name of Jonathan Swift's famous novel. Kindly tell the name of Jonathan Swift's famous novel. Question number 2 is, who is the hero of this novel? Have you learned? Who is the hero of this novel? Yes. Tell me the answer. Yes. Famous novel is Gulliver's Travels, and the hero of the novel is Gulliver. Okay? Now come to the exercise. Learn to read 1. Exercise. Complete the following sentences in your own words. A. Gulliver could feel thin dash all over his body. Answer is species of string. Number 2. He was unable to see the things that were moving because his dash to the ground. Answer is hair was tied. He was unable to see the things that were moving because his hair was tied to the ground. C. He was very surprised by the dash of the man. Yes, answer is size. He was very surprised by the size of the man. D. The stairs could not injure him because his jacket was thick, was made of a strong cloth. E. They realized that he was hungry because he pointed to his open mouth. Complete this exercise with me in your book, please. Now, question number 2. Why were the Lilliputians able to tie up Gulliver? These questions you will learn in your copy. The Lilliputian was able to tie up Gulliver because he had been very tired after swimming to safety and had fallen in a deep sleep for several hours. Okay, students, do this work on your copy. Question number 3 is, list the things in the passage that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. The men were only 6 inches tall. Several of them climbed over Gulliver, around 40 at first and later 100. Some got hurt when they jumped off his body. Their arrows were the size of needles. They built a 18-inch high platform they needed to put ladder against him to climb on him the food. Gulliver could eat 3 loaves of their bread at a time. Okay, students, do these questions in your notebook and then come to the exercise to learn to read 2. Learn to read 2. Question number 1 is, what would do if you woke up and found that you had become a saint? Talk about your feelings and the things you would or would not be able to do. Answer is, if I woke up and found that I become a giant, firstly I would feel very sorry and strange, but I think I would have some benefits too, like my friends were teasing me, but now I would tease them. I could clean fans and upper wall of my house easily. Okay, understand? Question number 2 is, what do you think Gulliver will do next? How can you find out whether you have guessed right? The answer is, I think when he will feel well after taking the food, he will push his body and all the string will be break and he will get sick. The right prediction can be verified by the reading the book. Okay students, I hope you will understand this. Come to the next exercise. Learn words. A list of words from the text is given below in a column C. Write down words and phrases that can be used to describe them. The words in the column A should be from the text and the one in column B should be your own. The first one has been done for you. A, B and C. There are 3 columns. A 6 inches, B 5 feet tall. B long, thick, long, thin, scanty, short, black hair. C is thin, long, short, large, small, feet. D left, right, arm. E little, large, tall, fine, gentle, people. F badly, deeply, seriously, barely, hurt. G high, oblique clear, loud, oblique soft, wise. H sharp, long, fine, middle. I strong, soft, thick, cloth. And J little, high, large, wooden, platform. Now come to the exercise 2, page number 15. Note how the word travel is used in these sentences. His job included a lot of travel. My hobbies are music and travel. This story is based on Gulliver travel. The only time travel is used in the plural is when we talk about the time spent in visiting foreign countries. Read the following sentences and correct them if they are wrong. Number 1. A. Pakistan must develop its travel industry. It is the right. Do this exercise in your book. It is a tick the right. B. This is a special pass that allows unlimited travel. Here the word in number 2, travels. Use travels. This is a special pass that allows unlimited travel. It is wrong. There is no, we use only travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. Travel is a wrong. We use only travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel.